In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to look good on Instagram. If you struggle on doing makeup, hair, or taking pictures, I got you, because I'm gonna show you how I do all of those things. I'm gonna show you how I go from this to this for Instagram. First thing I'm going to do is dye the front strands of my hair. Right now, as you can see, they're like a faded seafoam green. I like them to be a bit more vibrant. Also, the extensions that I wear have blue strands in them too. As you can see, they're clearly not the same color. So I have to get my actual hair to look like this. Sadly though, I won't be getting my roots done because my hairstylist isn't available anytime soon. We're just gonna have to deal with the roots. Second thing I'm gonna do is go shopping for an outfit. I don't have any outfits right now that are picture worthy. After my hair is dyed and we have a cute little outfit going on, we're gonna go into how I do my makeup and my hair. Usually I'll do my makeup like this for Instagram. I usually go heavy on the lashes, a lot of highlight and blush. Most of the time for all of my videos, I just skip the makeup part and I just show you guys my full beat. People are always like, how did you go from this to this? So I'm gonna show you. For my hair, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about how I put in my extensions and then how I style them. I usually do this hairstyle called beach waves, mermaid waves, whatever you want to call it. I literally always get questions on how I do that hairstyle. We're gonna be doing a mini tutorial on that too. Once my transformation is complete, the last thing I'll be doing is taking Instagram pictures because that's the whole point of this video. So let's begin. It is time to dye my hair. I basically have everything that I need. There is a problem though. I realized I don't have any gloves and I'm kind of on a tight schedule, so I can't go out to go buy gloves. We're gonna go gloveless, which is terrible because I'm pretty sure this dye stains your hands. I'm probably gonna have blue hands, but I'm gonna mix this dye with conditioner because that's how I got to this color. And the bowl that I use to dye my hair is very crusty, as you can see. I usually just put a bag over the bowl and I put my dye in there. I've tried cleaning this out and it stays there. Oh, and I just realized I have to change out of this hoodie because I don't want any blue dye getting on this hoodie, so I'm gonna change out of it. Okay, I know I have like a few blue strands in the back. We're just gonna leave it like that. If you ever want to dye your hair but you don't want to fully commit, I feel like the front strands is perfect for you. It's so easy to maintain. This is what I do. If it's too light, I might have to do a second round. If it's a bit too dark, that's not a big deal because it'll blend in with the other blue extensions pretty well. Also, what I really love about this dye, smells like blueberries. It is now all mixed up. We're just gonna go in with it. I have to do this pretty quickly too because I'm trying to go shopping for the outfit today. The store that I'm trying to go to closes at 6 o'clock and I don't have one near me, so I have to drive an hour. Do you guys see how long my hair is getting? Can't decide if I want to let my hair keep on growing out or if I want to cut it really short. But if I cut it short, it would be all one length, kind of like a bob type of thing. I usually don't dye my hair with my makeup on either because, you know, I won't do it on camera. Like I said, I'm going out after this. I ran out of dye. Thought I would be good, I guess not. I'm done dyeing my hair. Here's the final product. Here are my hands. I'm gonna put my timer for like 25 minutes. I gotta figure out a way to turn this camera off. Here's how my hair came out. I love it. I already feel good about myself. It also smells like blueberries. Came out really good. And here's my extension. As you can see, my actual hair turned out a bit darker, but it's not that noticeable. Now that my hair is dyed, we are one step closer to looking cute for Instagram. Now the next thing I need to do is go shopping. This video is sponsored by Audible. Audible is the best way to listen to audiobooks. An audiobook I've been listening to is Think Like a Cat, which is about raising a cat to be well-mannered. And it's especially helpful for me because I just recently got a cat. Here she is. Her name is Luna. What I really love about Audible is that you can listen to audiobooks anywhere. I usually listen to them on my way to LA or when I'm just trying to relax at home. Audiobooks are cool because you can occupy your mind while still spending time with family or doing something else. And with Audible, you have access to programs that can help help with your wellness, like popular sleep programs that can help you unwind during the stressful time. Stories can help you stay entertained, reduce stress, and keep your brain active during all this social distancing. Audible launched stories.audible.com, which is so cool because anyone anywhere can stream hundreds of titles completely free. There's no account you have to make, there's no ads. All you have to do is go to the website and listen. So go to audible.com/DoughFairy, or you can text DoughFairy to 500 to get one free audiobook as well as unlimited originals and a 30-day free trial. Now back to the video. So I'm in the car right now. I decided to go to Brandy to get my outfits because they have really cute clothes there. What I'm thinking of getting is probably a cute little tank top with a pastel cropped sweater or a cardigan and some baggy jeans, or maybe a skirt. Brandy also closes at 6 p.m. and it's currently like 5:15, so I have to shop really quickly. Wish me luck.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
So I walked into Brandy and everything was looking pretty cute. They had a lot of pastel things, a bunch of floral things, and a bunch of cute little skirts. I ended up shopping for more than what I had intended. And I also got some cute accessories along with this brown little bag you see right there. But it was worth it because now I have cute clothes, and the total was only around $100, which is a pretty good deal to me since I got a lot of cute things. I just finished shopping. I got a really cute outfit. I didn't really record myself talking in there because I was too shy. Brandy workers intimidate me. They're nice, but I just felt uncomfortable, so that's why I did a voiceover. I'll see you guys back at my house. I look like Beans from Ringo. It is now makeup time. I'm also going to be answering some questions that posted a few days ago on my Instagram for people to ask me questions, so I'm gonna go through that as I'm doing my makeup so it's not so boring. I don't really talk about myself too much, so let's do this. So I'm gonna apply on some concealer since I have foundation already. For the concealer, I'll usually do like right here, and then I'll go upwards like this. That kind of gives the illusion of lifting your face, you know? For bronzing, I usually go in with this ColourPop little palette, and I'll usually just apply this like all over my face. I've also gotten questions on how I do my nose contour. It's really easy. I think I've been doing it since like middle school. All I do really is literally go like this. And then I just go around this little area too. And then I'll just blend that out a little bit. And then to add on to that, I'll go in with my freckle pen from Lime Crime. And I'll kind of contour my nose too with the freckle pen. For my eyeshadow, I tend to use these two palettes. I'll use the Venus XL palette from Lime Crime. First color I'm going to go in with is a light pink. And I'm going to put it all over my eyelid. I'm going to do a dark brown. One of my first questions that somebody asked is, are you keeping Luna? I'm so confused about her. If you guys don't know, I have a cat now named Luna. She was originally a stray. I found her like literally 2 weeks ago outside of my apartment. Once she got into our house, she didn't want to leave, and I got her a litter box and food and her own little collar, which she ended up hating. For right now, I'm just gonna do the white eyeliner and some mascara, and we'll move on to the next thing. For the blush, I use this Sigma blush palette. Kind of go overboard with the blush, honestly. Somebody asked, what was your best hair color you did so far? Honestly, I really liked the pink. I had the pink for literally a year. Now the next thing, we'll do eyebrows. Going with this brow gel, I think it is called, and this makes it look thicker already. Then I go in with this brow pen, and I just do like based off of my natural shape. Somebody had asked if my eyebrows are naturally straight. Yes, they are. Next thing we're gonna do is highlight, and I'll go in with this light shade right here. Have you had a job? If not, what job do you want to get? I've never had a job. I'm 19. If I did have to get a job, I would probably either work at some chill kind of place, like either like a flower shop, a bakery. Next thing I'm gonna do is the lips. I already have like a little light shade on it, but I like to go a little bit more extra. The last thing we're gonna do is apply on my lashes. They look very extra on camera. Now we're going to do my hair, and I think I'm gonna put in the extensions off camera, and I'm gonna show you guys how I styled it. Show you guys how I do my bangs. I curl it towards the front like this, and then I do the same to the opposite side. And there you go, that's my bangs. We got the makeup done, the hair done. I just put on my accessories and changed into my outfit. So now it is time to show you guys the final look. my outfit that I picked out. Pearl little hair clips. I made this cute little choker last night. I decided to wear this top from Brandy that has the little flowers with the bow. And then for the bottoms, I decided to go with this little white skirt. For Instagram, you gotta stand out. I'm going to wear this sweater. Sweater is literally the cutest thing ever. I know it's a little extra, but for my Instagram, I like to be extra. Now that I showed you guys my final look, it's time to go take pictures, and I'll take you guys with me. I found my location, so the next thing I'm gonna do is take the pictures, then I'm gonna show you guys them. That's gonna be it, basically.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we...
So that's the end of this video. The pictures came out really cute. Let me know your thoughts on my look. Before you go, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, fairies. If you didn't like my video, I'm so sorry. Hit subscribe. Join Fairy Army. If you didn't like my video, why don't you like it? I'm so sorry. Not really. Hit subscribe. Hit that button. Join Fairy Army. Just join it, bitch.